talk to me about how this amplifies artistic expression, because I know that was really always at least the heart of what I read when you did this.
It's one of the best use cases of AI. You know, science fiction is so beautiful. It's such an amazing thing. But by the time it goes mainstream, the narrative around it has really crystallized into this autonomous, intent filled, evil thing that ultimately wants to kill us and replace us, right? That's been such a common theme. And I think it's really coloring the way that we see technology. It's coloring also the way that investors see technology. That's why they keep thinking about replacing workers, replacing humans, right? Because that's what science fiction fed into their minds as well. And then it kind of becomes a vicious cycle. But we don't have to believe this narrative. The investors don't have to believe it, builders don't have to believe it, and consumers don't have to believe it. So at each of these levels, we can break these fallacies and intentionally choose to go in a different direction. And one of the most wonderful directions is becoming more human ourselves. How can AI make us more human? How can it help us connect deeper with our emotions, connect more deeply with each other, and connect more deeply with our creative capabilities? And you really can, and there are tools that do that. And you also see humans desperately and successfully try to use popular tools in this way. One of the main reasons ChatGPT is successful is not because you click a button and it gives you the perfect thing, but because it gives you that space, that room to use it differently. ChatGPT can give you feedback on your writing. It can give you criticisms that you can choose, to learn from some of them. It can help you find different ways to say what you want to say. I've actually spent many hours editing the conclusion to my book, the last few pages, because I wanted it to be really good. And I would take each sentence and I would ask ChatGPT to write that one sentence in many different ways. So instead of using ChatGPT to write faster, I ended up writing orders of magnitude slower because I was trying so hard to make it better, right? So kind of like quality over speed. There are so many ways. I've actually had to make myself stop because I was overdoing it, but that's a separate issue. 5 hours into editing, I'm like, okay, this is good. Let's move on, right? But the point is that there are so many ways to use even existing popular tech. And if we choose to use it to elevate ourselves, if we choose to use it to learn and grow instead of just be faster and more efficient, we can already even take what's already there to try to become better. But of course, when it comes to builders, investors, entrepreneurs, we should be thinking in a different way. We should be thinking, how can we build technology? How can we build an LLM or a different kind of model designed to elevate the human spirit? And there are ways to do this. We just need to expand our imagination.